This is why I prefer DR clubs, San Domingo clubs over New York clubs. Get over it. Yeah, she knows she cold. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. All right, so nice day in the Bronx, yo. It's feeling like 78 out this mother. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. But anyway, after all that, you already know what this is. This is Wavy's weekly sneaker rotation, where I show you the sneaks that I've rocked throughout the week. Throwing a few Bama fits. You know, I come through with the Bama fits. And you know how it goes, man. Either you like it, you like it. If you don't, I did hear some of them sneakers. Well, we'll talk about that later. Let's just get into the vid. Let me stay out the way before somebody gets up in my video unannounced. All right, I don't know what day this is. Nah, I lied. This was a Saturday. I broke out the Foamposite Pro Metallic Crimson classic colorway right here. I ain't rocked these in a minute. Took it old school. I'm in the elevator. Cargo pants are from Black Taylor. I believe I got a discount code Wavy10. But even if I don't, me and them, we all to the good. And to finish that off, it was still kind of nippy out there. So I broke out my Nike windbreaker jacket that I copped years ago. I love this colorway and the little details like the zippers in that infraredish colorway. And you already, brother. Peep the pose. Wow. This was probably a Sunday. I broke out the Foamposite Pro Dr. Dooms. Now these used to be my grails when I didn't have them. I ended up doubling up and I still like them. I do definitely still like them though. Anyway, on top of that, I'm rocking these with some sweatpants from Into the AM. You already know, discount code Wavy10, or you can use the link below and save. Matter of fact, everything except for the fitted is Into the AM. Got that bubble jacket, kind of looks like the North Face. Black and 3M, love how that 3M hits for real. And to finish it off, I got that Chicago White Sox fitted cap with the World Series side patch. You already, brother. Peep the pose. Ow. This was a Saturday before I went to the club sober. I broke out the Wu-Tangs. Yeah, the Dunk Highs, word. I'm rocking these with some olive cargo pants from Black Taylor. You already know, maybe Wavy 10. If not, that Raekwon hoodie is by Champion. Shout out to my homeboy for holding me down with that joint, word. And to finish that off, I got that Woo York snapback from none other than 22. And you already, brother, peep the sober pose. Ow. This was a Sunday. I broke out the Nike Air Trainer SC Highs, aka the Bo Jacksons, the orange and blue, my favorite colorway right here. As a matter of fact, I believe Hibbett got another pair out. I'm thinking about it. But anyway, after all that, the jeans are from Subi. These are very comfortable, for real. I do like the comfort in the jeans. The New York Knicks jacket is from Mitchell & Ness. Got that Louis Vuitton sling bag just to keep my belongings safe. Gray Into the AM hoodie underneath the jacket, just to add some what. And to finish that off, I found Bobby Schmurder's New York Knicks fitted cap a few years back. Yeah, alright, bro. Peep the pose.
You're not my dad!
This was Saturday. I was going to pick up the What the Kobe's, matter of fact. I broke out the Foamposite Royal. These the 2017s right here. Word. On top of that, windbreaker pants are from Black Taylor. Shout out to Black Taylor, Wavy 10 hopefully. The heavyweight hoodie that really keeps you warm is from Into the AM. This is not the regular hoodie, it's the heavyweight joint. Underneath that hoodie, I got a royal blue tee, just to add some what. And finish that off, I got that royal blue New York Yankee, New York Mets snapback from none other than 22. You already, brother, peep the pose. Ow. Forget what day this is. Might have been a Friday, who knows. I broke up the Air Max 95 olive joints. Really love this pair right here. Shout out to Sky Zone for the orange socks. The jeans are by either Minimal or Mint Crew, I don't know. On top of that, I got that olive Ralph Lauren Sport rain jacket. I love this joint right here, like for real. I waited a long time to cop. And to finish that off, I got that New York State of Mind snapback from none other than 22. Y'all ready, brother? Peep the pose. Ow. Yo, this was a Saturday. I went up to Ridge Hill. It was a great idea. Shout out to my guy Rome for putting me on. Anyway, I broke out the Foamposite 1 Olympic joints. I ain't rocked these probably since they came out. Beautiful colorway, fresh and so clean. The jeans are by Zara, matter of fact, and these are like my favorite pair of Zara jeans. Shout out to Zara. The flannels from, what's that spot the girls like? Fashion Nova. Yeah, flannel from Fashion Nova. And to finish that off, I got that DMV snapback from the Flyest Hat Store in the Bronx, 22. And Yari, brother, peep the pose. Ow. This was a Saturday, and I'm damn sure glad I had sense enough to spray these boots down before I left the crib. hopefully. I think I did. Anyway, I broke out the Rust Brown Constructs. These joints are beautiful. Word, look at that two-tone. Anyway, on top of that, I got some olive cargo pants from Black Taylor, Wavy 10, or if not, we still all good. I got the gray Ralph Lauren Bear sweater that I picked up 2 years back from Saks Fifth. And to finish that off, I got that New York Yankees fitted with the 2009 World Series side patch. Yeah, already, brother. Peek the pose. Ow. Sunday, I broke out another one we ain't seen in years. These the Foamposite 1 Shooting Stars. Yo, it was due time for these for real. And I'm kind of mad I stepped in something. Yeah. Or let's just say a Snicker ball was on the ground. But anyway, on top of that, the jeans are by PRPS. The flannel is by Superdry. Picked this up either at a TJ Maxx or a Urban Outfitters, I forget. Underneath that, just to add some what, I broke out a gray hoodie that I've had for eons, it feels like. Supposedly we have to. And to finish that off, I got that New York Yankee, New York Mets snapback, blue and black. And you already know, brother. Peek the pose. Ow. All right, if you like the vid, do me a favor, hit that like button for me, appreciate it, thank you. Yeah, like I said, I heard that some of these stores supposed to be getting those 95s in this week. Definitely want those. And that's not the sneak that I've been waiting for. I'm still waiting on another sneak to come through that I did hit on. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what's going on that. And then other than that, this week, ain't nothing really looking, well, nah, I ain't gonna say ain't nothing really looking. Nothing new that I ain't got. But we do have those Barclays coming out. We got 2 colorways of those. For me, as a pass, for y'all, if y'all ain't got them yet, hey, then that means you don't want them because you've had ample amount of drops to get these joints. So it shouldn't be no thing this time. But yeah. So if y'all going after those. But it's a sneak that I've changed my mind on, but I don't know if I'm gonna cop. I might do a video about that. I just hope that my 2 joints come in, man, for real. I just need my sneakers to come through, word. But yeah, man, like I said, it's like 73 out here today, 74. They about to be out. But anyway, man, I'm about to get me something to eat or whatever. Let me know what y'all next cop is. Like I said, I don't really see nothing this week unless them Air Max 95s come out. Like, I definitely want those. I definitely hope I hit on those. I think my name's still good on one of the raffles, so hopefully that comes through. But other than that, let me know what y'all eyeing. I know the end of May, I can't wait till those 4s drop. I definitely can't wait till those drop. And shout out to Noel. Hey, I see you, boy. I see you got the early pair. I see you got that early pair. Word. But anyway, man, I'm about to get up out of here. Shout out to the Wave Mom. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me, liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that's Snups.
Vixe, viado, nossa.
It's your boy Wavy. Y'all notice my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. I got to get back to work before my 30-minute lunch break is off and I get fired. See you when I see you.